Feed is the heart of pig farming. Without good feed, pigs cannot grow fast, cannot produce enough meat, and your farm cannot make profits. But here's the big question that almost every farmer asks. Should you use homemade feed that you mix yourself? Or should you stick to commercial feeds that you buy from the feed mill? Which one is cheaper? Which one makes pigs grow faster? And most importantly, which one gives you the highest profit? Stay with me, because in this video, we are going to break it all down. By the end, you will know the truth about homemade versus commercial feeds, and you will be able to choose the best option for your farm. Why feed matters. Before we compare, let's remember one important fact. In pig farming, feed takes up to 70% of the total cost of production. That means if you manage feed wrongly, you will lose money. But if you manage feed well, you will make profit even with a small farm. Pigs need a balanced diet that includes energy from maize, cassava, sorghum, protein from soybean meal, fish meal, ground nut cake, vitamins and minerals from premix, salt, bone meal, and of course, clean water. Without balance, pigs will either grow slowly, fall sick, or eat too much, but still look thin. That's why choosing between homemade and commercial feed is such an important decision. What is commercial feed? Let's start with commercial feeds. Commercial feeds are ready-made feeds you buy from feed companies. They are usually packed in 25 kilogram or 50 kilogram bags and are made in big factories. Advantages of commercial feed. Balanced nutrition. Experts in animal nutrition, protein, energy, vitamins, and minerals. Consistency. Every bag is almost the same, so your pigs grow steadily. Convenience. You don't need to spend time searching for ingredients or mixing feed. Fast growth. Good quality commercial feed makes pigs gain weight quickly. Disadvantages of commercial feed. High cost. This is the #1 challenge. Prices keep going up, and for small farmers it can be very hard. Not always genuine. Some feeds are fake or poorly mixed, especially if you buy from the wrong supplier. No flexibility. You cannot change the formula to match what is available locally. So, commercial feeds are good for farmers who want fast growth and less stress, but the cost can eat into your profit. What is homemade feed? Now, let's look at homemade feeds. Homemade feed means you buy raw ingredients like maize, soybean meal, fish meal, and premix, then mix them yourself on the farm. Advantages of homemade feed. Lower cost. If you can find ingredients locally, homemade feed is usually cheaper. Flexibility. You can use byproducts like cassava peels, yam peels, brewery waste, or palm kernel cake. Control. You know exactly what you are feeding your pigs, and you can avoid fake feeds. Disadvantages of homemade feed. Knowledge needed. If you don't know the right formula, pigs will not grow well. Time consuming. You must buy ingredients, grind, and mix properly. Quality control. If ingredients are moldy or poorly stored, pigs can get sick. So homemade feed gives you control and lower cost, but it requires knowledge and effort. Cost comparison. Now, The big question: which one is cheaper in the long run? Let's make a simple example. Suppose a 50-kilogram bag of commercial feed costs $25. A growing pig will need around 250 kilograms of feed before it reaches market weight. That means feeding one pig with commercial feed will cost about $125. Now, if you mix homemade feed, maybe it costs you $18 per 50-kilogram bag. For the same pig, you spend $90 instead of $125. That is a big difference. But here is the catch. If your formula is not correct, pigs may grow slower. And if pigs grow slower, you will spend more time and extra money feeding them, which cancels the savings. So the truth is, homemade feed is cheaper only if you have the right knowledge and ingredients available. Otherwise, commercial feed may actually be more profitable because pigs reach market weight faster. Growth performance. Growth rate is where commercial feeds often win. With high-quality commercial feeds, pigs can grow from weaning to market weight in about 5 to 6 months. With homemade feeds, growth may take 6 to 8 months, depending on the quality of your mixing and ingredients. Remember, every extra month you keep pigs means more cost in housing, water, and care. So, faster growth means faster turnover and quicker profit. Practical tips for homemade feed. If you want to use homemade feed, here are some simple but powerful tips. Learn proper formulas. Don't guess. Study feed formulation or ask an expert. Use clean ingredients. Avoid moldy maize or spoiled peels because they can poison pigs. Grind ingredients well, so pigs can digest easily. Always add premix. Premix provides essential vitamins and minerals. Keep records. Know how much each pig eats and how much weight it gains. For example, here is a simple formula for growers. Maize, 45% soybean meal, 20% wheat bran, 20% fish meal, 10% bone meal, 2% salt, 1% premix, 2%. This is just an example, and you must adjust based on ingredient availability in your area. Which one should you choose? So, homemade or commercial feed? Which one is better? If you are a small-scale farmer with only a few pigs and little knowledge, commercial feed may be the safer option. You will spend more money, but your pigs will grow faster and you avoid mistakes. If you are a medium or large-scale farmer who can buy ingredients in bulk and has knowledge of feed formulation, homemade feed can save you a lot of money. But you must be careful with quality and storage. Some farmers even use a combination, commercial feed for piglets and weaners, because they need very balanced diets, and homemade feed for growers and finishers to reduce cost. Conclusion: at the end of the day, the best choice depends on your farm size, your knowledge, and your access to feed ingredients. Remember, pigs will only grow well if they eat well. So whether you choose homemade or commercial feed, always make sure the diet is balanced, clean, and consistent. Now I want to hear from you. Do you use homemade feed or commercial feed on your farm? Which one works best for you? Drop your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with other farmers who need this information. Together, let's grow smarter, not harder, in pig farming.